Looked like the police were unwilling to leave empty-handed, so they arrested the man's brother. Now, here's the thing about this brother. His name is Vinson Ariste, 20 years old. He was not wanted by the police. He had never been convicted of a crime. By all indications, the police never even have him as a person of interest. There was nothing connecting him to any crimes in Bahamas. But the police arrested him. They arrested him on the 21st. They detained him, and he stayed there locked up in the police station until the following week, the 27th. Something remarkable happened while he was locked up in police custody. Between the 22nd and the 25th, he confessed to a number of crimes. He confessed to the robbery that occurred on the 16th of July. But he also confessed to other crimes. He confessed and he confessed and he confessed and he confessed to crime after crime after crime after crime. And not minor crimes. Crimes like robbery and even murder. And here's what's so unique about the situation. The police had no evidence connecting him to any of these crimes. The only evidence that they had against him for any of these crimes was his own word, his confessions.